Is Flock on your team?
You got to add Flacco Death Row.
So listen, so Flacco and Rory on the same team.
No, we're already on our team.
Okay,
Who team y'all on? Who team
so
y'all on?
We on the winning team that taking over the street. You wanna name cars that hitting the internet with pressure. I'm talking about heavy pressure.
Name them.
Yes. What you mean? Google them. You got Rari, you got Supercharged Kid, you got Turbo Kid, you got Big Wig, you got Kicks. Man, I can't keep naming these people, man. You got Zoe from Palm Beach. I got hitters,
You
man.
talking about you can't keep naming them if they on your team? Give them their
Hey,
flowers.
coach.
Shit, name them all.
Hey,
Hey, I
coach.
don't give niggas flowers, man. You not
Coach.
dead.
Coach. Coach.
Come on, man.
Hey,
How you
coach.
gonna
Nah.
get? You can't give a nigga a flower. Only time you give niggas flowers when they dead, homie. I don't
Hey, coach.
understand that,
Hell no, I
man.
don't agree with that. That's just like,
Bro, I don't know where I get this flower from. You might well, okay, I'm finna go buy you 100 roll and bring it to you.
nah, and I ain't saying that. All I'm
Man,
saying is,
like y'all
shit,
niggas trip me out, man. Babe,
Hey,
ain't
y'all.
no
man.
Hey,
y'all. Just don't
y'all
group
can
me
hear
with
me.
nobody else, bitch. Ain't no y'all. I'm just saying, when
hey
the motherfuckers
Coco,
doing
I
their
just seen some
thing, hey,
Coco.
bro, that shit.
That's a hard lineup right there, Coco. That's a hard lineup now.
Bro,
Now if Flacco and motherfucking Lucky and 95 on the same team, that's hard
bro,
now.
what I get?
Now Coco, I don't know Coco. You might
What
can't
happened?
beat that. You might can't beat that squad there, Coco.
What happened, bro? Nah, I don't know what's going on, man. That shit crazy, man.
Hold
We
on.
got
So, what's
we,
going on this morning, bitch?
we
Y'all ready to go to war on Father's Day?
nah, I'm just saying like
Oh,
we
you just
just
popping your shit with your team type shit.
no, I'm saying my team the greatest, man. You know what I'm saying? My team, we come in gold package, we come in everything touch, you know what I'm saying? Off the frame, everything, you know what I'm saying? We ain't scared of nan nigga, man. We ain't big motors, no stock shit, you know what I'm saying? You want me to talk that shit? We ain't playing, man. Everything touch, everything. They might well call the team over here detail.
What
You know
they
what I'm
do?
saying? You know what I'm saying?
I thought
Isaac,
y'all were top one.
we're top one. What you
Well, let me
talking
ask you
about? You
something.
know?
If you got a team more than one people, how
Who the top one?
What you mean? We all won.
Nah,
You
I
ever
ain't never
heard
said.
that?
I
When you're in
heard
the
that.
army, when you're in the army, they said be all you can be.